Okay, we're gonna chop up some green onions here. Hey, we're getting ready to cook up a dish. Oh, it is gonna be so good. Hey, and it's gonna involve garlic too. Okay, we're gonna finish dicing up these green onions. Man, they smell good, especially when they're cooking. Oh, they're tasty. Now we're gonna take this bell pepper and we're gonna only use about 1/4 of it. Slice down one side. And we're gonna cut it up, dice it up, and put it in with the rest of the vegetables we got going on with this dish. Now everything we've diced up or dicing up, we'll have carrots, we'll have bell pepper, green onions, we're gonna have zucchini, yellow squash, gonna have cabbage, gonna have green beans and yellow beans. They look like, I guess they're wax bean probably, is going into this dish. Here we're slicing up a little bit of cabbage to go in this. Now when it cooks, it's gonna kinda sweat down or reduce into a very small amount. So this isn't really a whole lot we're putting in there. Okay, I was having griddle withdrawals. And what could be better for that treatment is to break out the Blackstone Griddle. Oh yeah. You probably guess we're getting ready to do a bit of a stir fry. We have which the mixture of vegetables is going to be bell pepper, yellow squash, zucchini. We're going to have green beans. We're going to have yellow beans. We're going to have cabbage. We're going to have the green onions. Right there's them green onions. Boy, that's going to make it taste tasty. Hey, and there's the cabbage. And under the cabbage, we have the shrimp. Oh man, this is going to be good. And of course, my all-time favorite, SPG. Nothing like a little butter to get some flavor and goodness going on in this dish. And it's time to add a little bit of garlic in there. This is gonna make it outstanding. And we'll get this moved more to the middle where it's a little warmer there, a little hotter, and get this to cooking up pretty good. Then we'll move it back over to the left side. Okay, I think this angle's going to be a little bit better here. Get these veggies cooked up. Well, there's a couple of stems in there on these fresh green beans, so we'll get them out of there. Okay, now we're going to add some cabbage to this. We'll move these veggies over to the left there and let them sit there and kind of keep warm and continue to cook. There's another stem. Anyways, we get them all out of there. Get this cabbage on here and we'll get it all mixed around. Now this is probably about a cup of cabbage, which will reduce down to about a half a cup of cabbage. after it gets through cooking. But hey, it's just enough to put a taste into these vegetables. And we're putting some SPG there, and we put it on our vegetables too. And hey, this is going to be good. And this is just SPG shrimp and veggie stir fry. Man, it tastes delicious. All right, it's green onion time now. Oh, smell them green onions. Put a little more butter down here, and hey, we're gonna get it all mixed up here, and this butter is gonna put some flavor around, give us some char on the griddle to kind of lock in some goodness on that. Okay, we'll get this moved over to the left side and get ready to put down some shrimp. We put more butter down. We're going to add a little bit of garlic here. I tell you, you talk about adding flavor. Garlic, and garlic is good for you. Man, I tell you what, there's nothing better than garlic shrimp, stir fry. It is delicious. Now this is raw, deveined, and peeled shrimp. We'll stir it around here a while. Turned up the heat a bit for this now, and we'll get her stirred around and cooked up here. And now we're going to add some SPG, and you know what it has in it? More garlic, a little pepper, and a little bit of salt. And that garlic, I tell you what, this is the cure for your griddle withdrawals. It's about 49, maybe 50 degrees. Give these veggies some more stirring here while we let the shrimp cook a bit. I tell you what, them green onions and the garlic, man, this is really smelling amazing. The wife stepped out on the porch a minute ago and said, man, I can smell that up there, and it really smells good. Get over here and give these shrimp another toss and a turn here. Add a little olive oil and canola oil mixed, and give these shrimp a run through it. Now we run some of that goodness that's there on the griddle, scrape it up and get it mixed in. I tell you what, that is flavoring right there. Let this cook for a little bit more and it should be about ready. Well, I believe everything's just about on the done side. Let's check a few of these shrimp and see what they look like. And these are done. Man, they smell good. Well, now we'll get these veggies all mixed together with the shrimp. Kind of stirred around a bit while we're mixing it. Get some of that goodness off of that griddle up into it. And I tell you what, that is going to make it taste great. It smells amazing. I wish we had smell-o-vision. It is really good. Okay, this is mighty larapin. The definition, delicious. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing. hey, take a look at one of them other videos. If you like it, click on it and I'll meet you there.